Canary Wharf in London, and I think people are having kayaking and swimming. Can you see the colorful floaters? That's to indicate that and that's the DLR going through. The sound of the DLR. Yeah, so those colorful floaters is to indicate where your location is so that you don't hit other people. So the nearest DLR station here to the Padium or the Podium for the Padel Club, that's the DLR there, going on to Canary Wharf. Is Heron Quays. Heron Quays is a DLR, and this is the new Padium or Padel Club in Canary Wharf, just opened end of August. So you can see these people are wearing some long sleeve swimming gear in case you get sunburned, and probably also we don't know how clean the water is. So they seem to be doing laps there. So this is a nice walk in September on Sunday the 10th.